babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming to you today with a video that I promised you all. I'm dying.
I'm sorry. It's talking too damn fast, trying not to breathe. That's what it's doing.
Hey you all, welcome back. So I'm coming to you today with a video that I promised you that I will give you, which is a review on this Brazilian straight hair from Klaiyi company. So I have the inches in 14, 16, 18, and 20. Originally, I installed this hair as a quick weave. You can follow down below in the description box and you can see the link to the original video of me installing this hair. Video isn't about the install, it's honestly just about the specs of the pros and cons of this hair. I've had it for 3 weeks, going on 4 weeks, but it's Easter and it's time for a new hairstyle. So I'm going to first get into this video with telling you all how I took care of this hair. So the products that I used on this hair only are the Keratin oil conditioner, the matching shampoo. I also mixed in with that shampoo the Argan oil of Morocco shampoo. And once dried and to lay down the flyaways, I also put in this extra penetration oil by the same company. So originally I installed it without co-washing it first and the hair was fine. I co-washed this hair twice and I shampooed it once. I shampooed my hair only because I work out and there is oil that gets in my hair from my skin, the oil, the sweat, and the dirt that gets in the hair and it causes tangling. But speaking of tangling, I honestly can tell you that it's not that bad. It tangles only when I sweat, because other than that, and it's only at the ends. The nape area is fine, and most of the time if you do get tangling in your nape area, that's to come because it's constantly rubbing up against your neck or your clothes, your jacket, and things like that. But here in Florida it's starting to get hot, so we're not wearing jackets, so it shouldn't be tangling that much anyway. So another thing is the shedding. The shedding is really minimum, I promise you. I cut my wefts. I also glued it onto a cap. So therefore you should think that it will shed a lot, but it doesn't, honestly. And I would not lie to you because I know I'm a person, I don't like wasting money. So I'm being 100% honest with you. It does not shed that much. It sheds like if you was combing or brushing your natural hair. So that is definitely a plus. And just imagine if you didn't cut your wefts, it probably wouldn't shed as much as mine did, and mine was still minimum. Then on top of the frizziness of the hair, you do have some flyaways, some frizziness of the hair, but once I conditioned it and put that penetrating oil on it, that wasn't that bad either. I will say definitely get that oil, if not some type of oil that's not too heavy to put on the hair, because it makes a big difference in your hair, whether it's this hair or any type of weave. So the pros of the hair, those are honestly all the pros and cons mixed in together. The hair is extremely soft, it's true to length, and the bundles are pretty thick. In the first video I don't really show you the bundles and how thick they are, but just know my entire quick weave I only use 3 1/4 of my bundles, and I normally can't fit all 4 bundles in. So honestly this video is really quick because there's not any negative things I have to say about this hair. I ordered this hair, it came in within a week, it was less than $150, and I got 4 bundles. Once again, the inches are 14, 16, 18, and 20, Brazilian straight from Klaiyi. I will include their original website as well as their AliExpress store in their Instagram, and I think they have a YouTube page. If they do, I will add that as well. And check them out, and they always have sales, they're always giving percentages off of hair. Definitely look at them. I love this hair. This is going to be added on to my list of companies that I would love to buy hair from. This is the straight texture. I'm definitely going to try their other textures as well. So Stay tuned for any other videos. Let me know in the comments if I did not include something that you have a question about. I will feel free to answer them. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, as well as the bell to be notified of my next video. And I'll see you all later. Bye.